Hello everyone, today I'm starting Unit 13 from Primary Math Learner Book for Grade 3. So let's start here. Getting the mass of 4 objects in your classroom, then weight them, use the table below to recall what you did. So let's start. Any 4 objects from the class, you can write it here. So let's starting from taking the book. Bag, or any kind of, you can say, table or chair. Table. Or you can use any other thing which is in your mind, which you can assume, estimate, like estimating mass. Estimate, obviously you don't have any kind of scale, so you can measure it. So you're estimating book more than 500 or less than 500 grams. Book, obviously it's less than 500 grams, so you can write here less than 500 gram. Or we can also write the symbol for less than 500 gram. What about bag? It's maybe more than 500 gram. And chair, also more than 500 grams. More than 500 gram. And also table, same like this, more than 500 gram. This is just like assuming. If it's more than, after measuring, then you can make it. If it is more than 500 gram, to make it tick, like bag. It's more than 500. This is less than 500. Chair more than, and then table also more than. So the actual mass, obviously these are the actual mass after measuring. If you can say book, it is not less than 500 gram, more than, so you can make it more than, and here make X and here make 2. Here you can also write it, book, the actual mass less than 500 gram. Same like this, the other bag is less than or more than 500 gram. If it is more than, you can write more than 500 gram, and about 2 others like this. Just we are assuming for measuring different thing, mass. So we are using the scale. For water measuring, we are using like this. There is in liter, 1 liter, 0.5 liter, 0.3 as a milliliter. If we are using milliliter, because in 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, so 300 milliliter, 600 milliliter, 900 milliliter, then we are using this kind of scale. And then it's mentioned on that kind of jug. And if I want to measure the temperature, then we are using thermometer. So this unit will look at 3 different types of measures: mass, capacity, and temperature. For mass, we are using this. For capacity, we are using this. And for temperature, we are using this. Let's move to the next page. 13.1 mass. Granddad has 1 kg of rice. He cooks 350 grams of it. So you can see the mass of the rice packet. It's 1 kg. So out of 1 kg, granddad he cooks 350 grams. And so how much rice is left? So in 1 kilo, 1 kg, it's equal to 1000. So we need to minus from 1350. The remaining amount is 650 grams. So 650 gram remaining. So when subtracting grams from kilograms, change the kilogram to gram. Exercise 13.1.1. Susie buy 2 peaches and 4 pears. One peach weight 80 gram. So we can see 2. This one equal to this 80 gram. So we gotta get 80 gram. So this one 80 gram, and what about other 4? So 4 pear weight the same as 2 peaches. Same as 2 peaches. It means this one 80 and this one 80. So if we are doing for changing to half, it means this is the half of 80. So we can write it 1 pear equals to 40 gram. So this one, if 1 peach weight 80 gram, so 2 pears equal to 80 gram. So 1 pear equal to what? 40 gram. So because 2 pears equal to 1 peach, 2 pears equal to 1 peach. So how much does 1 pear weight? So the weight for 1 pear is 40 gram. So estimate the mass of 4 pears. Very easy. 40 for 1 multiply by 4, or 44 times, because we have 4. 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, or 40 multiply 4, it's coming 160 gram. The chocolate bar has a mass of 100 gram. There's a chocolate bar, so we write here 100 gram. What is the mass of one muffin? So if its chocolate is 100 gram, so we can also say this 2 muffin equal to 100 gram, because there and it's both are equal. Both sides are equal, and there is 1 muffin extra. You can see here muffin. So it's mean the 2, it's 2 muffin equal to 100 gram. So now this is 100, this 100. So this one, because if 2 muffin is 100 gram, so 1 muffin, it's half of 100. So half of 100 equal to 50. It is 50 gram, yes. Now we know the price, or you can say the mass, sorry, the mass of muffin and the mass of chocolate. So what is the mass of 1 muffin? So we can write here, it's 50 gram. So if the mass for 1 muffin is 50 gram, what is the mass of each side? So you can see it's 100 plus 50, 150 gram. Let's move to the next page, 203. Read the scale, write the mass in the boxes below, then use less than, greater than, or equal to. Compare the mass of each pair. First, we need to write here, there we can see it's 500 gram. So we write here 500. Gram. And here 5 kg, 5 kilo. 5 kilo equal to 5000 gram. We should have on both sides the same unit. If they're gram, so there should be gram. So like this, we can easily find decimal grade. I'm also writing which is mentioned on the scale. It is mentioned 5 kg. So 5 kg equal to 5000 gram actually. Like this is a 10 gram. You write here 10 gram. This is a 10 gram, then this one 1 kilo. 1 kilo, it's the 1000 gram. Or in bracket, I can write 1 kg. 1 kg equal to 1000. And here it is 1000 gram. And the other side, it is 1 kg. 1 kg also 1000 gram. So we can now we can mention the sign less than or greater than 500 gram, and this 5000 also very bigger. Can use less than 500 gram, less than 500,000. 10 gram also less than 1000 gram, and this one equal. So like this, we can make easy if we have both side the grams are the number in gram or the mass in gram, so we can easily find less than, greater than, or equal to symbol. Let's move 204, the next page. Draw a circle around your estimate for the mass of each object. This is 8 kg, not possible. 800 gram or 80 gram. 80 gram. Okay, and this is 7 kg, not possible, near to 70 gram. And the beans box or tin, it's 5 kg, no. 5 gram or 500 gram. 500 gram is possible, half kg. And a toffee, a sweet candy, this is only 4 gram. You will need a set of scales. Choose 5 classroom objects. Compare the mass of each object by holding 2 at a time, 1 in each hand. Estimate the order of all 5 from lightest to heaviest. Write the object names and your estimate mass in order in the table. I just write the name, then you can estimate using scale, and then we can write it. First estimate and then make actual. For example, I write paper, then pencil, then book, then bag, then table, table or chair. Paper, let's assume paper is 5 gram, 5 gram, 3 gram. Pencil is, can say 8 gram. Let's assume maybe this is 20. I'm just assuming. Book, this is a 25 gram, sometimes 50 gram, 50 gram. Some books are more than this. Bag, if you have a book 50 gram, then it's maybe more than 520 gram. And table is more than 2 kg. So we can write here 2000 gram or 2 kg. Now actual paper, maybe this is a 2 gram, and pencil maybe 10 gram, book 50 gram. I'm still estimating. The actual, you can use scale that to find the accurate answer. This bag is 540 gram, and table is more than this, 3.5 kg order, you can say, because it's a heavier object. Page number 205, weight each item separately. How close were your estimation? Okay, question number 6, this is just you're using scale, and then you can write different object name, not necessary as it's mean. I wrote it, you need to write them. Obviously, you can choose any object. Choose 5 different other objects that you think have the mass of less than 1 kg. Hold a kilogram weight in one hand and an object in the other. Estimate the weight of the object using gram. Now there are digital small kind of unit meter. You can use that digital, so you can just hang it with that scale, so you can find easily the answer. So write the name of the object as its estimate. So as the previous, you are using the same objects and then measure the weight. You can write in the boxes. And the next question, think like a mathematician. Use these use this amount to make each column or row total 1 kg. Very easy. 1 kg equal 1000. So we can use challenge, use the amount. First we are doing this. So let's choose any number. For example, I'm choosing the first row, 200 gram, then 500, 5 plus 2, 700 gram, and the remaining 300 gram. So in the first row, obviously I write bigger. It's not coming in the box. The second row, 700 gram, and we choose remaining 300, so 250 gram, and then 50 gram. The third, you can use 400, the remaining 400, then 450, and the last is 150 gram. 4 plus 4, 800, 850, 900, and 1000. Use these amount to make a column and row that total 1 kg. Column and row. Here you can see it's just row 1000, but column it's not 1000. 4 plus 2, 900, 9 plus 4, it's 1300. Like this, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, this 1200. So row 1000, but column not 1000. But here you need to make a column and row at the same time. It's coming 1000. So let's do it. 500. So now we have here choosing any two number. It's coming 500, and down to a number, it's coming 500. So 250 plus 250. That's 500. Should be mentioned gram. Okay, if we go straight, this coming 50 gram and 450 gram. It's 500. So like this row and column 500. So in the second 15, we have now remaining 950. So 250, I'm using it again, and this coming 300, then 300. Let's do 350. Now we have 400 and 600. Like this, we use the last 450, 400, 850, and then the last 100. 4 plus 4, 8, and 150. Like this, we complete row and column equal 1000. Okay, take care. Like this, we finish here 13.1. The next video, we will start 13.2.